How to use Snap Layouts in Windows 11. The Snap Layouts feature in Windows 11 helps you organize your desktop, making it easier to manage multiple open apps, files, or folder windows. You can access Snap Layouts using either your keyboard or mouse. To open the layout box using the keyboard, press the keyboard shortcut Windows+Z while in the window you want to snap. From the layout box, you can select from the preset layouts. Simply click the layout number you want to use to activate it. Then, click a number to snap the window to the desired location. Instead of entering a number, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to choose a layout option. Press Enter to snap the window to the chosen location. Once you've snapped your first window, the Snap Assist tool will open and display the remaining windows you can snap into the layout. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to cycle through the thumbnails in the Snap Assist tool. Press Enter to select the window you want to snap into the layout. Based on the layout you chose, repeat the process until you've filled the layout with the windows you want to have open together. You can also use your mouse to access Snap Layouts. Hover your cursor over the Maximize button of the window you want to snap to open the layout box. Click the layout you want to use to snap the window to the side of the screen. You can then use Snap Assist to snap additional windows by clicking them. Alternatively, you can drag and drop windows to snap them to different locations. For instance, click the title bar of the window you want to snap and drag it to the top of the screen. The layout box will appear. You can then drag the window to a snap location. Release the mouse button to snap the window into the desired location. Snap Assist will open so you can snap further windows. You can resize the windows once you've snapped them into the layout. Place the cursor between the windows, then click and drag to resize them. You can adjust the windows horizontally or vertically, depending on your needs. Once you've filled your snap layout with the desired windows, this becomes a snap group. You can view the group via the thumbnails on the taskbar. If you open a different app or window to work on, you can return to the group by selecting it from the taskbar.